Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can take a screenshot even without using the print screen key in your keyboard. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to take a screenshot without the print screen, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, you just need to press the Shift plus Windows plus S key in your keyboard. And after that, you can now drag your mouse to the part of your screen that you want to be on your screenshot. And after that, you will now have your screenshot. And to save your screenshot, you just need to click it. And then right-click the image. And after that, you will now be able to see the Save As option, so just click it to save your screenshot. And then you will now be directed to the File Explorer, so just go to the location where you want to save your screenshot. And once you're on the location, you can now put the name that you want for your screenshot. And then click Save to save your screenshot. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your screenshot will now be saved. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.